Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to see the best, in my opinion, formula in Excel that everyone should know. This formula is the X lookup, a recent formula that is going to replace the VLOOKUP because it's way better. And now we see an example to understand why. So let's say, for example, that we want to identify for a specific EEID, like this one. So we just copy this column header here in column M, and for this one we want to extract let's say, for example, the annual salary. Okay, so here we put one number chosen randomly, like this one, for example. I just color it so that after we can check it if everything is correct in this way. And let's say that we want to identify the annual salary corresponding to this EEID immediately. No, usually you can use a VLOOKUP, so you have to type equal VLOOKUP and so on. But the X lookup is a way better because it's easier to create and even faster. And now I will show you. So all you have to do is just to type equal X lookup, then you open the parentheses, you select the lookup value, so the value that we are actually looking in our array, so this one, the EEID, then comma, and we need to indicate where is the lookup array, so where is this value in our dataset. So we can just select all our A column in this way, and then a comma, and we need just to indicate as a last element the return array, so where is the element that we wanted to extract. So in this case, where is the annual salary information, and is in column J, so we just select all column J in this way. And then we can also, if we want, add another element by adding another comma and saying what should Excel return if it's not able to find this EEID. So for example, usually we just type two quotation marks like this one so that we get an empty cells. But you can also leave this fourth element, sorry, empty in this way, since it's not mandatory. So we close the parentheses and we type enter. And as you can see, I've extracted my annual salary information, and we can also see that it's perfectly matching. Now, of course, like every VLOOKUP, if we just change the EID, so we put, for example, this one of Joshua, the formula result will automatically update, and as you can see now, we are getting this value that is corresponding to this new EID. It's better of the VLOOKUP because, in my opinion, it's easier to understand. You have just to indicate the lookup value, the lookup array, and the return array. You don't have to follow a specific structure. You don't have to select all your data table, and you don't have to count the column. So in this way, I think it's better and easier. Let me know what you think, and if you have any comments or questions. Thank you very much.